Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание. Я здесь, в школе. Часть первая, страницы 31, 32, 33. English, Starlight 3. I'm here at school. Homework, patch number 1. Page number 31, 32, 33. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 31. 31. Storyland. Exercise number 1. Complete the sentences. Use the words below. Закончите предложение, используя слова ниже. Proud of, field, shining, best. Land, collect. The answer. You are a very good student, Yellen. We are very proud of you. My mom's pies are the best pies in Russia. They are so funny. The sun is shining. It's a great day today. I've got a lot of pens because I collect pens. It's my hobby. The farmer is in the field. He is looking at his wheat. Vladimir makes the best bread in the land. He is famous all over Russia. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Who said the following sentences? Read the story again and answer. Кто говорит следующее предложение? Прочтите историю еще раз и ответьте. My wheat is like gold. Our wheat makes the best pies in the land. Can I help you in the field? Go and collect mushrooms. The answer. The old man, Sergey, Ivanushka, Andrei. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давайте петь. Yellow wheats are golden, the best wheat in the land. Yellow wheats are golden, yellow wheats are grand. Yellow wheats are golden, the best wheat in the land. Yellow wheats are golden, the best wheat for a man. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 32. Phonics. Lesson number 15. Exercise number 1. Read the word sentences first to yourself, then aloud. Прочтите слова предложения сначала про себя, а затем вслух. Room, school, cool. Blue, rule. Is your room blue? Cool. An and apple. That black hat. Stand, glad, bag, lamp. Put on that. Put on that black hat. Put on that black hat and stand. Put on that black hat and stand next to. Put on that black hat and stand next to the lamp. Fun, sun. Run, funny. Rubber, under, umbrella. Gus has a special umbrella. It can run. It is fun to run in the sun under an umbrella, says Gus. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Choose and complete the list. Read aloud the words. There are some extra words. Выберите и заполните списки. Прочтите слова вслух. Есть несколько лишних слов. Bag, black. Blue, book. Class, hat. Rubber, room. Run, school. Sun, umbrella. The answer. Bag, black, hat. Blue, book, room, school. Rubber, run, sun, umbrella. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давайте петь. I'm glad, I'm glad. I'm here at school. It's okay. It's fun, it's cool. Black bag, blue cap. That's the rule. It's okay, it's fun, it's cool. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 33. Checkpoint. Exercise number 1. Read and complete. Use this or that. Прочтите и заполните. Используйте this или that. The answer. That is my school. This is my dog. This is Max's hat. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. How many? Count and answer. Сколько? Посчитай и ответь. 2 chairs. The answer. 3 aeroplanes. 5 desks. 4 sharpeners. 5 rubbers. My dear friends, do exercise number 3. Read and choose A or B. Прочтите и выберите A или B. How old are you? I'm 8. What's that? It's a pencil case. Is that Mona's pen? No, it's Emma's pen. What's your name? I'm Harry. Now I can. Say the names of the school objects. Say who some things belong to. Say and write what color my favorite school objects are. Follow my teacher's commands in English. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed.